The final thing to look at will be the messages that are sent to the customer, either the SMS messages or the email messages that go out. These are sent automatically via bookings, and we can find the templates within the CRM menu by clicking on to templates. So here we have a list of all of the templates in the system. So the ones that we're looking at the moment are the bookings ones. We can see that we've actually got a medium here, which will be either the SMS or the email document that's being sent out. And for the bookings, we've either got the bookings for the inquiry, the bookings for cancelled, bookings for paid, bookings for part paid, bookings for received, and bookings for confirmed. As I said, these are system messages. They're sent automatically. You don't get to choose which one goes out. They're system generated. However, if you want to change them, you can amend them yourself. So you need to look at the one that you're going to have. So if I take, for example, here my bookings paid one, this is the SMS message. If I come in to the system one, I can actually see what's been set here. So your booking is, the payment reference is, and what's happened. The booking clerk will follow up if required. So if you want to amend this, you need to take out the word system, and you need to pop this into either custom or some other name so that you know that it's yours. You might want to possibly pop in your council name or some other message that you've got in there, just so that you know that it's the customs booking rather than the system one. And that will automatically override the system template. You won't have this override system template here. That's for scribe staff only. You've got the tags, so here you've got the ability to pop in the basic details of your booking, so possibly the person's name, their first name, phone number and address, the booking reference, and obviously the price that's paid, the venue that's being booked, any other additional details. Any of these informations as tags can be popped in to actually customize your template that you've got here. You can, of course, pop in here, the booking clerk will follow up with you, or you can put the booking clerk, Lisa, can follow up with you as well. So you can make any changes that you want to this template. Once you've done that with that new name, as I said, you must pop in a name there. We can click on to save. It'll ask you to choose one of the bookings so that you can actually see what it looks like. So your booking is provisional and your payment is outstanding. This is your booking reference, which is use that tag to put it in from the actual times that they've booked for. The booking clerk, Lisa, will follow up if required. So this is your customized one. You can then confirm and save that one, and the system will automatically use your custom one over the system one. You can only have one, so it will automatically know that it's looking for the custom one rather than the selection process that you might be more familiar with within accounts. Moving on to the actual emails within the templates, you've obviously got a lot more space to be able to customize the message that's been sent out from there. So if I'm going to take my bookings confirmed, again, you'd be looking for your bookings confirmed system one to change that to custom. Now, I've already changed mine, so I've already called this bookings TGR because that's just the abbreviation of my council. So subject here, confirmation of the venue name and the venue booking start date. And then we've got the email that's going out here. So coming in, so this is again system details, so dear basic customer name, so it's obviously taking the Mr. Smith or Jane Brown, whatever you've got through from the system. So I might want to add in an additional line here and possibly put my logo in the top right hand corner. So coming up here, I've got the ability to import a picture. So I can insert an image, I can upload that from my system. So clicking onto upload is going to take me to browse for my image. And if I come down to my training and I'm going to take a copy of the Scribe logo here and pop that in and save that, I can then see that I've got the Scribe logo appearing there. You've got the ability to format these, so you might possibly want to align them, justify them to the left, right, etc. coming through from here. So carry on building these up to make sure that you're happy with the with how it looks. So that's editing the SMS templates. You've obviously got a lot more ability to customize the emails. So if we want to customize the bookings confirmed email message, we'll choose the document template called bookings confirmed system. Again, the first thing that we need to do is edit the system out and pop in either the word custom or something else similar to your council name, just so that you've physically renamed that document so that it knows to use that one and not the system one. Unlike the accounts and allotments part of the system, where you can call these any name that you want to and then select them from a drop-down list, bookings emails, bookings SMS messages are sent automatically. So it will always use the system one unless you create your own, but you've only got the choice to create one own. You can't switch different ones because it is automatic. So similar to the other ones, you've got the tags that are coming in to take that information through from what's been applied within the details that you've got of the bookings. So here I've got Dear Basic Customer Name. I might want to possibly put my, my council logo in the top right hand corner. So I can come up creating additional space and insert an image. So from there, I'm going to upload a copy of my scribe logo, pop that in. And once I've saved it, I might want to format it to move it over and possibly justify it. Format, align, and pop that over to the right hand side. You've got that Dear Basic Customer Name again, so you can change any of the details that you want to have in here. So it's taking the venue names, it's taking the basic details. You might want to come down and certainly at the end, kind regards, you've got the council name and council address. You might want to put in your telephone number there as well. You may want to personalise it even further. So if I want to pop in here, kind regards, and then pop in my name, I can put Tracy Scribe Support. And again, if you wanted to put in a telephone number, you could do so at the bottom as well. So carry on making any additional changes that you want to. You've got the full ability to format all of your text. So you've got the standard bold, italic, underline, etc. Various different formats that you've got on here, text sizes as well. So write the letter or write the email to however you would like to have it. So again, using those tags, you've got different informations for the basic customer details. So we've got in here the basic customer name, which would include Mrs. Smith, etc. But you might want to actually have either the name, or you could choose just the first name, Dear Sue, Dear Bill, or you could have just the last name as well on there. So you've got the ability, as I said, to pop those in how you would like. Once you're happy with everything and you've amended it as you would like it to be, you won't have this option for override system template because that's just Scribe admin only. Once you've customized your email and you're happy with it, clicking on to save will ask you to take a look at it with a record. So choose one of your records. We can see here this has now come through to my dear customer name of Angela Truman, so much easier to read when it's in this format. So my Scribe logo is now showing in the top right hand corner, and those amendments that I popped at the bottom with Tracy Scribe Support and my phone number that I added in here all ready to show. So if you're happy with those, you can confirm and save it. And again, that will be the next one that goes out automatically when the booking has been confirmed.